I'll teach you 5 bird calls in 60 seconds. First up is the great horned owl, and it's your classic hoot owl. Hoo 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 hoo. Then there's the barred owl, who's concerned about what's cooking for dinner. It says, who cooks for you? Who cooks for you all? Sort of like, Then the eastern screech owl. Sounds like a horse with a whiny call, like a hoo. The northern saw-whet owl sounds more like a train whistle. Toot, 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 toot. Lastly, we have a barn owl. And this one the movies get wrong all the time because this owl just screams at the top of its lungs. Ah!